Hi folks, Ryan here, and today I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy way of how you can sidechain in Ableton. We'll be walking through this project and going from this to this. It sounds much better. I've included the project files and samples for this song down in the description of this video. So please, download it and try it out for yourself. Let's jump right in. First of all, we need to add a kick. Add a drum rack to the first MIDI track in the project and rename it Sidechain. Grab the kick from the sample pack and add it to the drum rack. Then add a MIDI clip and add a note to the beginning of each beat. Let's take a listen. Drag the MIDI clip so that it spans the whole length of the track and lower the track's volume to 0. We are only going to be using this as a guide. On the second MIDI track, named Build Up, add the glue compressor audio effect. Click the arrow and turn on Sidechain. Then under Audio From, choose a Sidechain MIDI track. Now, if we play the song and dial the threshold down, we can hear the sidechain effect. We now have a pulsating track that bounces to the beat. One of the many great things about Ableton is that we can now copy and paste this effect onto other audio and MIDI tracks. For example, let's paste it onto the uplifter. We can now do this to any track in our composition. Another thing worth mentioning about the glue compressor is that we can adjust the threshold and the makeup to fit how much we want each track to pulsate and to bring some of the volume back. Let's take a listen. A reminder to download the template files included in the description of this video, and if you liked it, consider subscribing and let me know what other tips and tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. See you next time.